If you want to see the easiest way to do 3D flower nail art, please continue to watch. So let's get right into this nail set. Like always, I already went in with the peel-off base by my cart, and we're going to attach these tips with the base gel. I do trim this area off before attaching, and then you see me put the base coat on, put it where I want it, and flash cure it under my little lamp there, but I do go into the full size lamp for 60 seconds. Once everything is attached, we are going to clip these down because these are way too long for my liking. So I have attached some magnets to the nail clipper like this, and this way I can easily make sure each nail is the same length. We're going to go with another coat of base gel. So now we're going to go in with this Vanillisa white gel polish. We're going to give each tip one coat, a thin coat, and we're going to end up ombreing that up towards the cuticle. Next, we're going to go in with a second coat, but we're not going to go up as high on the tip, and we're going to ombre that up as well. So this is the polygel I'm using. This polygel has become one of my favorites. This polygel is so smooth and it blends so good. In combination with this brush that I got, I just love the color. The new color just fits my complexion so well. It looks so beautiful to me. I have been grabbing this polygel each and every time I want to do some type of nude ombre. So now we're going to go in with this clear version of this polygel. To protect that ombre we did, we're going to put that first bead of polygel right on that ombre so it can be the thickest there, and then you're going to fan it out down towards the free edge and up towards the cuticle. Now we're all done, and we're just going to give them a good cleaning before we go into filing. And we are all done. I love this ombre. It's so beautiful, but here is my secret to doing the easiest 3D flower nail art is with stickers. This is the easiest way to do it, and it looks just like if you did it with acrylic or with any type of sculpting gel. So we're going to place these on the nails exactly where we want them. Next, we're going to go in and do some line work. Now, I don't know the proper name of this nail art, but it's just placing X's right on the nail, and I'm going to use this Poochie's nail paint in white. It's just a super easy, cute nail art that I find to be so cute. So now I'm going to place these stickers randomly wherever I think they should go or what looks right, and we're going to go in with top coat to go over these stickers. So when applying these stickers, make sure you press them down really well so they're sticking to the nail, and make sure there's none going over the edge, because that will make your top coat peel. So just make sure everything is sealed correctly. Cure for 60 seconds. Then we're going to go in with placing the bling. So if you made it this far in my video, there must be something you like, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well. I am on my way to 3,000 subscribers, and I am so excited for this. And to my subscribers, I just want to thank you for being so supportive, and stay tuned for more nail content.